We are Innventure, and I'm Bill Grieco, Innventure's Chief Innovation Officer. Innventure is in the business of systematically building new disruptive companies that have the potential to create billions of dollars in new enterprise value, and we do that in partnership with multinational corporations. When we form them, our new Innventure companies are run by seasoned entrepreneurs who have built and run dozens of successful companies from scratch. Our new companies have ready access to capital, which we provide, and the new companies are based on breakthrough technology invented, patented, and prototyped by a sophisticated MNC. Ultimately, we form, fund, and operate new companies so that each one can stay 100% focused on creating the maximum value for the startup and for the MNC partner that originally created the technology. There's no better way to learn about Innventure's model than to hear it from one of our MNC partners, Procter Gamble.
Hi everyone, I'm Andy Butler, Vice President P&G Ventures, and I'm excited to be here with you today to share how and why we partner with Innventure to deliver transformational value. P&G Ventures is the organization within Procter Gamble that's responsible for creating and entering new categories, as well as developing new business models to create value in innovative ways. I lead a program called External Value Creation, or EVC. Simply put, EVC is the process and strategy by which we commercialize P&G's corporate intellectual property outside the walls of Procter Gamble. Now at P&G, we pride ourselves on innovation, but in some cases, we're not the best company to commercialize and scale that innovation because it falls outside our core competency or our go-to-market strategy. A great example is sustainable packaging. We're developing some truly transformative packaging technologies and innovation to help solve our publicly stated 2030 sustainability goals. But in most cases, we're not the best company to actually bring those technologies to life. In those scenarios, we partner closely with R&D, finance, and our business development team to identify partners that are able to commercialize and scale our innovation. The benefits to P&G really come down to three things: speed, scale, and value. Speed is about bringing our innovation to life faster than if we were to do it on our own. Scale is about making sure that when that innovation is commercialized, it's done so in a way that's competitive in the industry, not just for P&G, but for others as well. And value is about ensuring that we extract the most value from our intellectual property in traditional ways like having access to that innovation via a supplier, but also in other unique ways as well. Now, the strategy is clear, but what's critical is identifying the right partners. And that's where our partnership with Innventure comes in. Innventure brings three things to the table: experience, process, and mindset. Experience is about the incredible team of entrepreneurs and business leaders Innventure has that we're able to rely on. Process is about the partnership we have to really evaluate critically the innovation in our portfolio and make sure that we're picking the right things to take externally and the right structures in place to ensure that that technology reaches its full potential. And perhaps most importantly is mindset, working in a collaborative, agile way to develop and create new ideas, new methods to make sure that when we take our innovation outside of P&G, we're doing it in the best possible way. This approach has already resulted in two great companies that are leveraging P&G's intellectual property. You've already heard about them today. The first is AeroFlexx. AeroFlexx is a company that's leveraging P&G developed liquids packaging technology that's revolutionizing the liquids industry today. The second is a company called PureCycle. PureCycle is using a P&G developed recycling process to take dirty waste streams and transform it into near virgin polypropylene resin that can be used in a much wider variety of applications. And these two companies also demonstrate the symbiotic nature of our partnership. In this case, Innventure is helping P&G meet our 2030 sustainability goals by bringing those technologies to life with external partners. And P&G is in turn helping AeroFlexx and PureCycle by leveraging our brand equity and reputation to drive greater demand and adoption through a new platform that we call Sustainability Solutions by P&G Ventures. We believe the future is very bright. Our EVC strategy is here to stay at Procter & Gamble with an incredible pipeline of new innovation that's in development. And thanks to our relationship with Innventure, we know we have a partner that can help us bring that innovation to life at speed, scale, and maximum value.